The International Space Station can be seen over Manchester this month. To find out when we can see it in our skies, I visited the Godley Observatory, home of the Manchester Astronomical Society.
From us on the ground, we have got the ability to be able to spot the space station when it is above our horizon. So over the next 14 days, especially for the Manchester location, you can see it very, very easily between the hours of 5 in the evening and 8 o'clock in the evening.
The International Space Station has an acre of solar panels to harness the sun's energy, which powers the station. Light reflected off them makes the station so visible to us.
First you find a time it's due to appear over the horizon. So if it says to the west, you gaze towards the west. And suddenly, out of the gloom, you will see a star-like object slowly moving in. To all intents and purposes at the beginning, you may think it's a plane, because in Manchester, we're close to the airport, you get a lot of air traffic. But there's something about it that you know it's not a plane. It's big, it's bright, and it's got that magical feel.
Tonight, I'm using this simple telescope to try and view the International Space Station. It's been occupied since the year 2000 and has 6 crew members on board carrying out data collection and experiments. I'm going to try and give this a go now. Let's see. Unfortunately, it was a bit too cloudy for me to see the space station, so I spoke to Thomas Turner, whose hobby is astronomy and has successfully viewed the space station over Manchester.
I use a very simple telescope that I just set up in my back garden, but you don't really need that. You just need a clear sky on the right night when it's passing over, and you can see it with the naked eye. I also love being able to look up at other planets and galaxies and stars, and think that one day us as a species will be able to go up and see those things a lot closer and learn a lot more about them.
You can get more information about viewings in your area on spaceweather.com. You've only got a few nights left to see the International Space Station in Manchester, so get out there and get looking.